how to make a pinch pot bird. First, you start out with the big piece of clay. You're gonna have 2 pieces of clay. You wanna break this one in half. So now you have 1, 2, 3 pieces of clay. The big part, you're going to cut and make into a ball and then roll it out. Then you're going to take your thumb and put it in like a baby would have a thumb in their mouth. That. And then you're going to whack. Keep your fingers straight, your thumb straight. Whack down. And then it's thinner right there. And twist to a new spot. Whack and twist. It's a little wobbly now, so I'm going to tap the bottom, flatten it out, and tap the lid, flatten it out. Then I have this slip. I can take a little bit of slip, put my finger inside, and then I'm spinning it on the table. And look, it got rid of all the fingerprints. It's smoothing it out. Smoothing it out. This is going to be the body of the bird. Next, I'm going to make the wings and the tail. Roll out a ball. Push flat, flat, flat. Flip it like a pancake. Flat, flat, flat. And flip it like a pancake. Then I'm going to draw a smile on one part and a frown on the bottom part. You can use all sorts of tools to cut this out. There's a tongue depressor. I have 2 wings and a tail. Now with this piece, I can roll out a neck. And I can decide how big I want the neck. Maybe that's too big, so I'll cut a little bit off and have a little extra play. On the end, I'm going to pinch, 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 and twist around as I pinch. Add a little bit of slip. Smooth out any cracks. And I can bend the head. Now it has like a bird head. Now I'm going to open the mouth. Oh. Come around. And I could have some eyes. Twist it around in there so it makes a nice eye. And I can make some nostrils. I have a bird head. Now we have to attach all of these to our pinch pot. So the wings, it won't stay on if you just put it on. So we have to use sass. The first thing in sass is scratch. And you're going to scratch both pieces. Then slip, which is just water and clay. Slip, it makes it kind of like glue. And then press to attach. And then we're going to scoop down and scoop up. And this is smoothing the clay onto each other. Sealing it and smoothing it on. Scoop up, scoop down. Scoop up and down. Up and down. And then I'm going to smear it with my finger and smooth it out so it looks nice. Now it's attached. I'm going to do the same thing for all the other pieces. Okay, if you have any small cracks, pinch a little piece, put a little slip, smear it in like it's mayonnaise or peanut butter or something that smears really well. Then you can start decorating your bird. Maybe make some feathers on the wing. Some feathers. C shape. You can impress the clay and add dots or any other sort of pattern that you want to try. Once you're finished, carefully lay the bird so that you can see the bottom of it, and then you can take a pencil and write your name. And your class code. So maybe 1K, depending upon who your teacher is. First grade and the first letter of the last name. That's how you make your pinch pot bird.